Imagine walking into a living room, and for a second, you think there's no TV at all. You see the couch, you see the wall, you see the window behind it, and then boom, the wall lights up. Not a screen, not a black slab, a floating, crystal clear display that looks like it came straight out of a Marvel movie. This is not CGI. This is not a concept render. This is Samsung's Transparent MicroLED TV. And yeah, it's officially landing in real American homes. No joke, the future just showed up, kicked its shoes off, and sat in your living room. And before you think, nah, that's just another flashy tech demo, trust me, stick with me, because what you're about to hear completely changes how we think about TVs, homes, and screens in general. But real quick, if you love brand new science, next-gen gadgets, and future tech that actually matters, you're gonna feel right at home here. So go ahead and hit subscribe and join the World Inventions X family. You're early, and being early in tech, that's everything. All right, now let's talk about why this thing is blowing people's minds. Here's the wild part. For decades, TVs were basically giant black rectangles that dominated your room. Even when they were off, they were just there. Big, dark, kinda ugly. Samsung said, nah, we're done with that. So they built a TV that disappears when it's off. No exaggeration. When this transparent micro-LED TV isn't playing anything, it looks like a piece of clear glass. You can literally see straight through it. Your decor stays visible, your space feels bigger, your living room suddenly looks like it belongs in a $5 million LA smart home tour. And when it turns on, that's when your brain glitches. The image appears to float in midair. Colors pop like crazy. Blacks look deep even though the screen is transparent. It feels less like watching TV and more like watching reality get augmented. This isn't OLED. This isn't LCD. This is micro-LED, and it's a whole different beast. Every single pixel lights itself up. No backlight, no compromises. That means insane brightness, ridiculous contrast, and clarity that makes 4K look like yesterday's news. Sports? Unreal. Movies? Straight cinematic. Gaming? Absolute cheat code. But here's the plot twist. This TV isn't just about watching stuff. It's about how Americans live. Think about modern American homes right now. Open concept layouts, minimalist interiors, smart homes, clean lines, no clutter. Traditional TVs kind of ruin that vibe. This one, it blends in. Architects are already designing living rooms around it. Interior designers are freaking out, in a good way, because now the TV doesn't control the room controls the TV. And get this, Samsung is showing this thing in real American living room setups, not labs, not show floors. Normal couches, normal coffee tables, normal apartments. That's when it hits you. This isn't the future anymore. This is right now. Now, let me drop a retention bomb real quick, because later in this video, I'm going to tell you why this tech could replace windows, walls, and even furniture displays in the next few years. Yeah, it goes way deeper than just TV, so stay locked in. Now let's talk about price, because I know that's what everyone's thinking. Is it cheap? Nope. Is it mass market yet? Not even close. Right now, this is ultra premium tech. Early adopter territory, the kind of thing you see in high-end American homes, luxury condos, and tech-forward spaces. But remember this, flat-screen TVs were once crazy expensive too. OLED was once only for rich people. Now they're everywhere. That's how tech works in America. Early, expensive, everywhere. Samsung knows exactly what they're doing. They're not just selling a TV, they're testing how people react to a screen that doesn't feel like a screen. And Americans, we're loving it, because this fits perfectly with how we consume tech now. We don't want bulky, we don't want ugly, we want smart, clean, invisible tech that only shows up when we need it. And this TV nails that. Now imagine this for a second. You wake up. Your transparent TV softly shows the weather floating in the air, stock market updates, news headlines, then it fades away, back to glass. Movie night? Boom, full cinematic display. Game day? Massive floating scoreboard. Smart home dashboard? Right there. This is why people are calling it science fiction becoming normal life. And here's the bigger picture most people are missing. Transparent micro-LED isn't just for TVs. Samsung is pushing this tech into smart offices, retail stores, car displays, museums, and future home windows. Yeah, your window might one day be your TV, or your TV might be your window. That's the kind of future we're walking into. And honestly, it feels very American. Bold, ambitious, a little extra, but always pushing forward. Now, before we wrap up, here's the real question. Is this going to replace every TV tomorrow? No. But is this a clear signal of where home technology is heading? 100%. The era of big black screens is slowly fading. The era of invisible, intelligent displays is just getting started. And Samsung just fired the starting gun. So if you're someone who loves being ahead of the curve, if you like knowing what's coming before everyone else, you're watching the right channel. Because this is exactly what World Inventions X is about, breaking down the future before it becomes normal. If this video sparked your curiosity, smash that like button. It seriously helps new creators more than you think. Drop a comment and tell me honestly, would you put a transparent TV in your living room, or is this still too futuristic for you? And don't forget to subscribe to World Inventions X, because the next invention we're covering might just blow this one out of the water. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and we're just getting started.